Let's jump right in. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 dividend-paying altcoins for October 2025. Forget day trading or chasing meme coins, we're talking about earning passive income by simply holding the right crypto. In crypto, dividends mean you get rewarded with more coins, just for holding certain tokens. Think of it as a high-yield savings account for the digital age. Usually, this happens through staking, where you help secure the network and get paid in return. The beauty? You earn both from price appreciation and a steady stream of rewards. Quick disclaimer: this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. The crypto market is volatile, so be smart and cautious. This video is for educational purposes, based on my own research and market observations. Ready to see which coins made the list? Smash that like button, and let's dive into the first pick. Here are the top 5 crypto dividend plays for passive income. Number 5 is VeChain, or VET, a blockchain built for real-world supply chain solutions. VeChain tracks everything from luxury goods to food safety, partnering with giants like Walmart China and BMW. Hold VET, and you automatically generate VTHOR, VTHO, the token used for network transactions. No complicated staking, just hold VET and watch your VTHO balance grow. The more businesses use VeChain, the more demand for VTHO, potentially increasing your passive income. VeChain's two-token system separates investment from utility, making it business-friendly. If adoption grows, so do your rewards. For easy crypto dividends, VeChain is a top contender. Let's move on to the next dividend powerhouse. Up next, a smart contract OG with a proven track record. Number 4 is NEO, often called the Ethereum of China, and a pioneer in crypto dividends. NEO's two-token model lets you earn gas just by holding NEO, no staking required. Gas powers transactions and smart contracts on the NEO network, so demand grows as the ecosystem expands. NEO has paid out gas rewards for years, making it one of the most reliable passive income streams in crypto. Hold NEO in a private wallet like Neon Wallet for maximum security, and watch your gas accumulate. NEO's future hinges on the success of its N3 upgrade, which aims to attract more developers and dApps. More activity means more gas burn, potentially increasing your rewards. The main risk? Centralization. The NEO Foundation plays a big role in governance, which can be a trade-off for faster upgrades. NEO faces stiff competition from Ethereum and newer blockchains, so its ability to stand out is crucial. Still, its long history and consistent payouts make it a classic passive income play. By holding NEO, you're betting on the growth of its ecosystem and the demand for gas. The more NEO you hold, the more gas you earn. It's that simple. Participate in governance for even higher yields. NEO's model rewards both passive holders and active participants. If you want a battle-tested crypto dividend, NEO delivers. Keep an eye on N3 adoption and ecosystem growth for 2025. NEO's proven track record makes it a solid choice for passive income seekers. The combination of reliability and potential upside is hard to beat. For those who value consistency, NEO is a top pick. Let's see what's next on our list. Coming up, effortless staking with a twist. Third on our list is Algorand, or Algo, a blockchain focused on speed, security, and decentralization. Algorand's pure proof of stake once let you earn rewards just by holding Algo, but now it's all about governance. To earn, you commit your Algo to quarterly governance periods, and vote on proposals, earning a share of the rewards pool. This shift encourages active participation and aligns holders with the network's long-term health. Algorand targets DeFi, tokenized assets, and even central bank digital currencies, with a fast, carbon-neutral blockchain. The rewards pool is transparent and designed to last for years, giving you predictable returns. Risks? You must lock your Algo for 3 months during governance. No selling if the market drops. Algorand faces tough competition from Ethereum, Solana, and others, so adoption is key. The ecosystem is growing with DeFi projects and big partnerships like FIFA boosting visibility. For 2025, success depends on turning this momentum into a thriving, self-sustaining network. Algorand's governance model means you're not just earning, you're shaping the platform's future. The APY is healthy, and the process is transparent. If you want more involvement and higher rewards, Algorand is a great option. The trade-off: less liquidity, but more influence and potential upside. Algorand's tech is top tier, but real-world adoption will determine its long-term value. For those willing to participate, the rewards can be significant. Algorand is perfect for investors who want to be part of the decision-making process. The governance model sets it apart from simple staking coins. If you're ready to commit and engage, Algo offers strong passive income potential. Watch for ecosystem growth and new partnerships in 2025. Algorand's blend of tech and governance makes it a unique dividend play. Let's move to a project building the Internet of Blockchains. Next up, Cosmos. Number 2 is Cosmos and its token, Atom, a project building an Internet of Blockchains. Cosmos enables different blockchains to communicate, creating a network of interconnected sovereign chains. Developers love Cosmos for its flexibility. Build your own blockchain but stay connected to the ecosystem. Earn dividends by staking Atom and helping secure the Cosmos hub. Delegate your tokens to a validator and receive staking rewards, often in the double digits. The more blockchains connect to Cosmos, the more valuable the hub and your rewards become. Staking Atom also opens the door to airdrops from new projects, adding extra value. Risks: there's a 21-day unbonding period when unstaking, so you trade liquidity for yield. Validator choice matters. Pick reputable ones to avoid slashing penalties. Cosmos has been inflationary, but upgrades like interchain security could boost Atom's utility and rewards. Staking Atom is a bet on a multi-chain future, not just one platform. The combination of staking rewards and airdrops makes Cosmos a compelling passive income play. For 2025, watch for ecosystem growth and new chains joining the network. Cosmos is for those who believe in a connected blockchain world. The user-friendly staking process makes it accessible to all. Diversify your stake across validators for added security. Cosmos's vision and reward structure set it apart in the dividend space. If you want exposure to the future of blockchain interoperability, Atom is a strong choice. The potential for both income and growth is significant. Cosmos is a top pick for dividend-focused investors. Let's wrap up with our number 1 dividend altcoin. Here's the self-amending pioneer, Tezos. Number 1 is Tezos, XTZ, a smart contract platform known for its self-amending blockchain. Tezos can upgrade itself without hard forks, making it adaptable and future-proof. Earn passive income through baking. If you have enough XTZ, you can validate transactions and earn rewards. Don't have enough? No problem. Delegate your XTZ to a baker and share in the rewards, all while keeping your tokens in your own wallet. Delegation is secure and user-friendly, with no need to give up custody of your coins. Tezos' track record of smooth upgrades and major partnerships, like Ubisoft and Manchester United, shows its reliability. Rewards are consistent and competitive, with a clear path for future growth as the network expands. The more activity on Tezos, the higher the potential rewards for bakers and delegators. Risks include competition from other smart contract platforms and the inflationary nature of XTZ. The value of your rewards depends on the market price of XTZ, but on-chain governance allows the community to adjust policies as needed. Tezos stands out for its elegant technology and stable governance. The delegation system is one of the safest ways to earn staking rewards in crypto. You're actively supporting the network and earning a reliable dividend. Tezos' self-amending model ensures it can evolve with the market. For 2025, watch for new upgrades and ecosystem growth. Tezos is ideal for investors who value security, adaptability, and passive income. Its proven model and major partnerships make it a top dividend altcoin. If you want a secure, user-friendly way to earn, Tezos delivers. The combination of technology, governance, and rewards is unmatched. Tezos is my number 1 pick for crypto passive income. Let's wrap up with your next steps. There you have it, VeChain, NEO, Algorand, Cosmos, and Tezos, 5 altcoins for passive crypto income. Each offers a unique approach, from simple holding to active governance and ecosystem-wide rewards. Remember, don't just buy because you saw it here. Do your own research and understand the risks. Read white papers, study tokenomics, and join community discussions before investing. The goal is informed decisions, not gambling. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more wealth-building strategies. Comment below with your favorite dividend altcoin or one you think should be on the list. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.